Experience the unparalleled luxury living in Austin with the Bowie Apartments. Located in the vibrant neighborhood of downtown Austin, the Bowie Apartments offer a luxurious selection of furnished apartments, ranging from cozy studios to spacious 3-bedroom units. All the rooms here are designed to make you feel at home with state-of-the-art kitchens, smart home technology, and spacious walk-in closets to satisfy your storage needs. Enjoy sipping your morning mug of coffee as you appreciate Austin's scenic views from your window balcony. In addition, the property also features some amazing communal spaces like a social lounge, fitness studio, clubroom, conference center, and outdoor deck with a fire pit, along with the coolest infinity pool and rooftop lounges in the city. Perfect for relaxing after a long day of lectures. And don't worry about leaving your furry friends behind, because the Bowie Apartments is pet-friendly. With the University of Texas at Austin and Austin Community College just a quick 10-minute drive away, you can hit snooze and still make it to your lectures on time. And with shopping centers, parks, and gourmet restaurants just a stone's throw away, you'll have everything you need to fully experience the best of Austin. Get ready to live it up in Austin with the Bowie Apartments. To book your favorite room, head over to amberstudent.com today